works is if product rule was when two functions were getting multiplied, quotient rule is about when two functions are divided by each other. So let's say if you have a function 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So we can just split them up into two individual functions. We would say my f of x is equal to 2x, my g of x is equal to 1 plus 1 x square. All right. Now we do the same steps that we did for product, which is differentiate the numerator, differentiate the denominator. But the change comes in the formula. So I'll show you the formula. The formula looks intimidating, but just bear with me. dy by dx or d by dx of f of x by g of x is given as f dash of x times g of x minus g dash of x times f of x divided by g of x whole square. So it's first function or the numerator, differentiate the numerator times denominator minus differentiate the denominator times numerator divided by denominator whole square. And another easier version of the same thing, if I were to say, is if I'm differentiating u by v, right, then this would be u dash v minus v dash u divided by v square. So usually students prefer this form, which is easier to just say, like u dash v minus v dash u by v square, compared to like f of x, f dash x, g of x, g dash x. Essentially, they're the same thing, right? So just write this down and that's right. So it should be 3 times minus 2, sorry, 3 into 2 minus x minus of minus 1. So this becomes plus 1 times 1 plus 3x whole divided by 2 minus x whole square. So this would be 6 minus 3x plus 1 plus 3x. So 3x and 3x get cancelled. 2 minus x whole square. So your answer should be 7 by 2 minus x whole square. The next question. So this is x square divided by 2x plus 1. Just give me 1 second. So 2x times 2x plus 1 minus 2 into x square divided by 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is 4x square plus 2x minus 2x square divided by 2x plus 1 whole square, which is 2x square plus 2x divided by 2x plus 1 whole square. Rules. So this one, y is equal to x divided by the root of 1 minus 3x. So as you would have noticed, right, whatever you've learned earlier, like chain rule, product rule, power rule, all of them start merging together and you have to like apply each of them individually while trying to apply the overall rule of quotient. Does that make sense? So I'm applying quotient rule first, but my function in the denominator would require me to apply chain rule as well. Right? So it's not just one rule that you have to apply. You might have to apply 2 or 3 or 4 rules also. So first, the derivative of the numerator is 1. So this is just 1 minus 3x minus differentiation of this is going to be 1 by 2, 1 minus 3x to the power minus half times minus 3 times x, right? That's the numerator, whole divided by root of 1 minus 3x whole square. So this would be root 1 minus 3x. Negative negative becomes positive. So 3 by 2x 1 minus 3x to the power negative half divided by 1 minus 3x. What was your question? Happen is if we try to simplify this, this would be 1 minus 3x plus 3x by 2 root 1 minus 3x and then divided by 1 minus 3x. So we can kind of try to rationalize it. So this would become 2 times of 1 minus 3x plus 3x divided by, and take this 2 root 1 minus 3x to the denominator. So this would become 1 minus 3x times 1 minus 3x under root. And this, if we want, we can simplify it, but it doesn't necessarily get cancelled out. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't cancel out. So you can just leave it as 2 minus 6x plus 3x. So 2 minus 3x divided by 2 times of 1 minus 3x. And if you want, you can combine the powers. So this becomes 3 by 2.